on Bailey. Guess who's gonna bite it? Oh, God. Oh.
Jeez.
Rusty says, this game's getting a little bit too much for me. I risk too much. Rusty says, not Bailey. I've never